In this quick video tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to apply for YouTube monetization once you've completed YouTube requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Let's go. I'm on my YouTube channel now. The first thing we need to do is to go to YouTube Studio. And let's go ahead to monetization. I've already completed YouTube requirements for monetization, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. To begin our application, click Apply Now. We have 3 steps for channel monetization. Let's start with step 1 by clicking Start. With step 1, you need to review YouTube Partner Program terms. Once you're done, you need to check I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. And then click Accept Terms. Now we are done with step 1. Now let's proceed with step 2. Again, just click Start. You will be redirected to Adsense to complete this step. You need an Adsense account to start monetizing and get paid. There will be 3 choices. I chose the second one because I haven't signed up for any Adsense account yet. And after that, you need to click Continue. Select your Google account, in case you have multiple Google accounts signed in. Here, let's start signing up for a Google Adsense. Select Yes. Then select your country. After that, review and accept terms and conditions. Go ahead and click Create Account. The next screen will show you what Google Adsense has to offer. Browse it if you want to. Let's get started. Next step is to fill out every necessary field carefully. Once you are done, click the Submit button. And we will be redirected back to YouTube. Step 2 is now in progress. We just need to wait for it to be approved. Moments later. More moments later. Finally, we are done with step 2. And as you can see, step 3 is automatically in progress. We need to wait again. Next morning, you'll receive an email from YouTube stating that you have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. And you can now earn from your YouTube channel through video advertising, super chats and super stickers. If you want to know how to enable monetization on your YouTube videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll be uploading it for my next video. Thank you.